and gentlemen and beautiful friends. I'm here at Hobby Lobby and I went a little crazy. But I do this. I go and I pick out everything that I think I love, and then I go find an empty area and sort of go through it all and see if it's really what I want. I'm headed back in to get my second cart. I had to have it all. My second cart, you guys. I'll do an unboxing when I get home. Well, hello, beautiful friends. We just made it back from my little shopping trip to Hobby Lobby. This is something I do every year when the Christmas goes to 90%. I kind of had in my mind what I sort of wanted before I went in, so I wouldn't go way crazy, but I still got a whole shopping cart full. So join me today as we unbox or unbag my Hobby Lobby haul. I knew next year I wanted to decorate my front room. If you guys watched this past season, I did it a Nutcracker theme, and it was pinks and pale blue and pale green. I loved it. It was something different, but I really love the greens and the reds. So I'm going back to that next year, and I knew that before going in. So I found these. I had been eyeballing them all season, and I was like, if they are still there for the 90% off, this is going to be kind of my theme for next year's Christmas tree. Green, red, gold, plaid, plaid. We got some of those. What I thought I would do is, because this room in here is the dining room, and I do like to decorate the dining room, and I thought I would still use some pinks and blues from that room that I used this year in here next year. Oh, and what I'll do is I'll explain to you how much things were. I'll try to do the math in my head, but like this was $13.99, so I got it for $1.39. $1.99. You can always use red bulbs. $1.59, you guys. There's quite a few in here. It says 50. I just thought these were so pretty. $15.99, so $1.59. These are for a gift. So if your name starts with an N, close your eyes. But look how pretty. This is for a friend of mine, and he loves the browns and the yellows, greens, and kind of the amber colors. Paper ornaments. You guys, 99 cents. Okay, this is for a gift as well. Look how cute these are. I got a couple for a gift, and then I got one for myself, and $1.79 a piece. And this one was $1.29. $1.29. So fun. A little coffee mug. $1.49. Oh, I love these. These are going to go in this room next year with my little nutcracker and candy sugar plum theme. 69 cents. And I got 6 of them. I thought these were so adorable, and I love a good red cranberry pick. So I got a few of these. They would have been 19 cents because they're $1.99. And what I got them for is to poke into the tree next year. I love those. And then I thought these were beautiful. They're cranberries, but they're frosted a little bit. These were a little bit more. So these were $11.99, but I got them for $1.99. And I thought what I could do is cut them in two maybe and have, like stick that little piece in. I got 3 of those. And then I got some more red. And these were 79 cents a piece. I think I got 6 of them, maybe 7. Just thought these were cute. They're little snow picks, and they were 14 cents. Just a bunch of tissue paper. They had green and red left. 49 cents, you guys. I thought this was cute. Going through a nutcracker phase right now, and it's not perfect. Well, he said it's okay, but it was $2.39, $23.99, and then after 90% off, $2, you guys. They had one left of this, so I had to get it because it matches my pink boots. 54 cents. Little toboggan. I got some little trays for next year. 49 cents. I got some mesh ribbon. It's white, and I don't love mesh that much, but this one I really liked because it had like fabric kind of in it. I loved these. I saw them and I was like, oh, those are so cute. $2.29. These are cute. Poinsettias. So this is kind of the color I want to go with next year. This greeny color and red. And I just thought they were adorable. Unfortunately, on the red, I could only get like 3 of them, but they were 39 cents. Both of them, 39 cents. So it's only 3 of the red. And I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green. And then I already have some white, so I thought that would be pretty. I have some gold too. It's a placemat, and it was 79 cents. And I'm going to make a pillow out of it. What I'll do is I'll cut the end off to about right like that. And then I got some stuffing, and I'll stuff it and have a cute pillow for next year. And I got some napkins. I like to have napkins and stuff on hand for the next season, so you don't have to pay full price for them. And I also thought these were really cute. So 59 cents and 49 cents. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so here's the green that I was telling you I sort of like for my tree next year. So I got these, and they were $2.39. Oh, and aren't these so pretty? Can you guys see those? I just thought they were so pretty. They're actually glass. I got some of these last year. My pink and teal blue ones were glass, and they were $1.99, and they didn't, I think I might have only gotten 2, maybe just this one, but I just thought they were so pretty. Okay, if your name starts with an N, look away. I got this for a friend, just because it reminded me of him, and I thought they were gorgeous. But $10.99, so I got them for $1.10. I got more mesh, and I just thought it was so pretty because you know how I love the plaids. 99 cents. And this was so cute. I got 2 of these, and I thought I would, at the top of the tree, kind of dangle them, both going down. $19.99, so $1.99. And this is going to be sort of my, I like to have like an inspiration for my next year. This is kind of it. So what I'll do is I'll hang this one in the middle of my fur stockings, and it was $1.29. And here's my second bell, $1.99. More mesh for 99 cents. Not even sure if I'm going to use it, but 99 cents, hey. And then I got these. They're just napkins, and I thought I might make some ornaments out of them, like cover some ornaments that I already have, since plaid is going to be my theme. They were $1.19, or no, $1.10. And I always need lights, so I got these lights, 59 cents. $5.99, 59 cents. I thought this was cute to go with this guy, but it's one that sits. So I thought, wouldn't it be kind of cute because it's real soft, And I think I can put it on my couch as like a pillow. Plaid ribbon, beautiful, 99 cents for 90 feet. Oh, so cute. I want to do a little Christmas tree window next year. Nikki did it this year. She put her Christmas trees in coffee mugs, and I thought this might be cute. It was $7.99, so 79 cents. I got this for Rosie. So next year I can put her water and her food bowl on it. $1.99. Okay. And I got a candle. It smells really good. Yeah, it's perfect for winter. Green wreath. And it was $19.99. And I got it for $1.99. I like to buy one candle every year. I just thought this was cute. Got it for me. A little Hello Kitty Christmas. I think it was $4. Okay. So right by Hobby Lobby, there was a Big Lots. So I did run in there. And I didn't get much in there, but because they were only half off. But I loved these plates for my party next year. And they were $3.99. So I got them for $2, a pack. And I just thought how pretty they were. And I got 3 rolls of plaid wallpaper. Really, it's wrapping paper, but it's going to be wallpaper for me next year. Nikki has got me hooked on doing wallpaper or wrapping paper for wallpaper. And I have a spot in the front room that I've been wanting to wallpaper, but our walls are plaster. So I'm always afraid of what will damage them. So I have a wrapping paper coming from Amazon that's springy with floral. So stay tuned because I want to redo. It's not going to be a big redo, but just a little glow up, if you will, in the front room. So you guys, go find some wrapping paper and go find your passion today.